Hi, as you know, quite a lot of movie and TV shows applications were recently blocked on Amazon Fire Stick devices, such as Cinema HD or BTV. So today I'll show you the best alternative, which you can use in 2026 to get access to loads of amazing content. And the very first step is we need to get the app called Downloader to your Fire Stick. You can get it totally for free. Just go to search on the device and here start typing downloader in the search bar. And as you can see, it has already popped out for us at the bottom. Just click on it and here is the app, which you need to get to your device. But after you got downloader, it is not over yet, because you still have to set it up. To do that, we go to settings, click that button with the gear icon, and then go to My Fire TV. And from here, you'll need to turn on the developer options. However, on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case and you cannot find the developer options anywhere, then no need to worry because it's really easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote. And do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see now for me at the bottom, it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it will say that you have become a developer now. So if we go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. Open them, go to install unknown apps, and from here, you have to locate downloader and turn this option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're gonna do right now. So now we go back to a list of apps on the Fire TV stick, and there is the downloader, which we got. But before actually using downloader, there's one more thing, which I always recommend doing. And it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN. Because they're super fast, they got a great app for Fire Sticks, Droid TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device that you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a couple of bucks per month, which is a great pricing for us, the users. All you have to do in a VPN app is connect to any server. So let's say I will connect to Malaysia right now. And for the moment you connect, all your traffic will be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, then I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below this video, or in a description of this video, you will get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use Downloader safely. So we go back to the applications on your device, open the list, and then head to Downloader. So open tab, and here in the search, just start entering the code to download the app. And the code is going to be 764496. So once again, it's 764496. That is the code that you have to enter. Then click go, and while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you will get even more content about Fire Sticks. And now in a couple of moments, the download of the app will start. Usually it does not take long, but of course, it all depends on the connection speed. Then you just have to click install. Let me move my camera a little bit, and now you should see it. So click install and wait until the installation process is fully finished. That also usually takes just a couple of seconds. Then do not click open yet. Instead, it's better to press done, because this way you get that option to delete the installation files. So click delete and then delete once again. This way you will be able to save yourself some free space on the Fire Stick. And then return back to a list of apps on your device, open it, and now here at the bottom you'll find this new application which we just got. So now, first of all, I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. Click on it and then press on move to front. This way the app will always be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it will be way easier for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. And once again, you can use my link below this video to get 3 months of VPN totally for free. Then you can go and open this app. And here I had to blur out my screen because of YouTube rules, but in your case, of course, it's not gonna be blurred. And basically in here you can get access to loads of amazing content, such as movies, TV shows, and stuff like that. And there's a lot of great stuff, including the movies which are only available in the theaters. So enjoy it all and see you next time. Bye bye.